Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, basically this circle there that looked like a steering wheel to me, you click that. Here we go. Let's see what we've got. If we click it again, it's asking where to, map, favorites. So the first click is for the map. We want to go where to, we want an address, enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. And it had the screen before OK, but we'll just click on that.
The route is being calculated.
So that's it. You can either save it, click yes, confirming destination.
Please make a U-turn if possible, then turn right.
That's it. That's how you do it. Really simple system, the Land Rover Jaguar system. It's great. Thanks for watching.